This is a Christmas Village kit from 1983. It's by a company called Greenleaf. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be difficult to assemble. They tried to sell me a medical alert device and asked if I was over the age of 50. Clothespins. I don't have clothespins. What's a gable? This is a gable. There's freaking windows. Got 3. If they'd kept up with inflation, it would be over $400. So by this point, I was basically a pro. Did not struggle with that. Where'd you get this stick? Ow. I could do like a test, see how well the, okay. And like I said, big fan of the tiny details.